How to use public investing app for beginners. So basically, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to public.com, and as you can see, you can start investing. And here you have stocks, options, bonds, then you have bond account, and as you can see the yield here, then you have treasuries, etc. And basically you can invest in all of these. You have cryptocurrencies if you want. So all you have to do is simply go to public.com and click on get started. Now you're gonna have to create your free account. So you're gonna have to enter your email, password, and your US phone number. So this app is only available in the United States, and then create your account. Now after you create your account, you're gonna have to simply enter some personal details to verify it. And here, as you can see, this is the dashboard, how it's gonna look like. And here you can simply search for the stocks that you want to buy or cryptocurrencies, and you can simply buy them, and you can track the growth and your investments in this public.com dashboard. And you can also download the free mobile app. As you can see, this is the one, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.